So hello everyone, and I hope everyone is well. There was a question on chapter 2, problem 7 here, as you can see. And they give you a table of data, which is what I opened right here. It's open. And basically this is 5 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years worth of income statement and 5 years worth of balance sheet, okay? So they give you everything, and here's the statement of cash flows. Now, a lot of this data you don't need. What they want you to calculate is they say calculate the new earnings per share for 2016 through 2019, and they basically say suppose my debt goes costs and expenses have been the same fraction of revenues in 2016 to 2019 as they were in 2015. What would my debt goes earnings per share have been each year in this case? All right, so here's the equation. Let me just show you. And it is real simple. Let me just get this out of the way for everybody. All right, so here's the equation. A simple division. They want you need the net profit margin, which we talked about, right? Which is the net income over revenues. All right, so now the net profit margin for 2015 for 2016, right, would be 18 million over 404.3 million. All right, so this I believe was 2015. Let's look here, because that's the ratio we have for 2015. You see that? 404.3 million is the revenue, right? So we plug that in right here. And the net income is on the very bottom. Remember we said that? The net income is right here, 18 million. You see that? So that gives us a net profit margin, if you divide this out, of 4.45. Now, what they want you to do is keep that constant. You see what they say here? They said to keep that constant very carefully. If it's the same fraction as they were in 2015. Okay, so if you keep that constant, and all we do is let's get this out of the way. Here is the 4.45 we calculated there. So we're going to keep that constant. You see that? So we multiply that by the revenue, and we get the new net income. You see that right there? If you multiply that by that, you should get the new net income. Okay? That's all you have to do. And once you got that, and you know the number of shares outstanding, you can simply calculate the new earnings per share, right? So basically 16.2 and divided by 55 gives you 0.29, and likewise for these two right here. Just divide these two and you'll get that, and that's all you need, and that gives you the new earnings per share. So it was that simple. All they wanted you to do was get the new net profit margin, right? And once you got that, you can just get the new net income from this simple equation by multiplying these two, and you divide by the number of shares outstanding, which doesn't change, and you'll get the new earnings per share. And that's it. We're all done. I hope everyone was clear about that. If you're not, again, email me, and we'll basically review that again, okay? But watch these videos. They're great, okay? So these numbers right here at the bottom would get popped right in these boxes here for each year. New earnings per share. Just pop these numbers in right here. Alrighty, see you later.